Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello boards for client onboarding repeatability. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Trello account and selecting the board you want to update for client onboarding. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the board. Review the existing structure of your board to identify areas that require improvement for repeatability. Create a checklist of the essential steps involved in the client onboarding process. Add a new list on your board titled Onboarding Steps to categorize the tasks. Populate the Onboarding Steps list with cards that represent each task. For each card, include a clear and concise title describing the task. In the card description, provide detailed instructions on how to complete the task. Consider adding checklists within each card for subtasks that need completion. Attach any relevant documents or links that may assist in completing each task. Utilize Trello's due dates feature to set timelines for each onboarding step. Invite key team members to collaborate on the board by adding them to relevant cards. Set up labels to categorize tasks by priority or department for easier identification. Create a completed list where finished cards can be moved once tasks are done. Customize the background and layout of your board to enhance visibility and organization. Regularly review and update the board as necessary to incorporate feedback and improve the process. Once your updates are complete, conduct a test run of the onboarding process to ensure everything flows smoothly. Make adjustments based on any challenges encountered during the test run. Finalize the board and communicate the updated onboarding steps to your team. Encourage team members to familiarize themselves with the changes and ask for feedback. This approach will streamline your client onboarding process and enhance repeatability moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.